Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Ram can take it to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install for you. All right, for our first step, we'll need to lower the spare tire, and we'll be using the spare tire removal kit that comes with the vehicle. And we're just gonna lower it until we have access behind our bumper. All right, underneath the vehicle on the passenger side, right along the frame rail right here, we're gonna prep our vehicle for our hitch. We're gonna start by removing this bolt right here using a 21mm socket and a 5-inch extension. Now we're gonna put our carriage bolt with the small spacer block, and we're gonna reverse fish wire it into this hole right here. So we'll attach our fish wire, and we'll put the bolt in first, then the carriage block, and we'll leave the fish wire on. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. All right guys, now we're gonna bring our hitch into position. We're gonna be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra pair of hands since this hitch is a little heavy. As we line up the hitch, we're gonna take our fish wires, so starting on the passenger side, and we're gonna put it to the second to last hole. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. And these two holes in the middle of the hitch will line up right behind the support behind the bumper. All right, now for our two attachment holes behind the hitch, we're going to need to bring our carriage bolt and large spacer block into position there. So to do that, we're gonna need a fish wire. So we'll take our fish wire that is included with our kit and we'll push it into the holes, and then we'll push it to the outside of the vehicle. And it'll follow this tube until it comes out of our access hole. And then we'll attach our carriage bolt and spacer block. And then we'll throw our block in first. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now on the driver's side, we'll take our existing bolt and we'll just put it back into place. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now we'll remove all of our fish wires and install the included flange nut. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer specifications. All of our carriage bolts will use a 19mm socket, and our existing bolts will use a 21mm socket. And then we'll raise the spare tire back up. All right guys, we went ahead and pulled it down to level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver, and from the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 20 inches. That will help you determine the length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. All right guys, that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.